Today I'm going to be showing you how to verify your Revolut account on mobile phone. It is a very simple thing to do, so let's get started. First, open Revolut application on your mobile phone. Then log in if you have already created your account and sign up to create a new account. As you can see, it is not available in all the regions yet. So I will tell you how to verify your Revolut account. So go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the top left corner in the application. Then select account and then click on the personal details. Now you will need to take a picture of a valid government issued document and a picture of your face. Both are live photos. Then you have to click on the verify your account button. After that, it will take a couple of days to verify your account. In this way, you can verify your Revolut account easily.